Okay, the deal is what? Contouring?
Highlight.
Highlighting.
We just did contouring. So
we did.
We did it on the last episode.
So if you missed it, go back and watch it. Contouring, it's really good. Mm-hmm.
So we're just going to keep going with the same concept, but we've taught how to bring the face in and create depth. Now we're going to create brightness.
Yay!
I know you. Sparkly.
I love it.
It's fine. Almost tripped. It's fine.
Oh, are you okay?
I mean, I look great, right?
No, seriously, don't trip because the whole thing.
You'll lose your face.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
I love this face. Anyways.
Oh, me too.
Oh, you're so sweet. Okay. Cool. Well, I'm excited. Everything we do is always about letting go of old negative things and embracing our spirit and confidence. Because why? Confidence
is key.
Is key to finding true
Everything.
success in life.
I mean,
and success is what, though? You know.
I mean, and this is where things get a little. Success is to the eye of the beholder. Literally, it is your own interpretation of success.
Yeah, 100%.
It could be money. It could be, the biggest makeup collection the world has. That could be your definition of success.
Yeah.
But you're never going to get that without confidence.
100%. And I struggled hugely with confidence growing up. Like, I was a huge introvert, and it's not until now, really, the last couple of years, that I've really embraced me and who I am, and I'm like achieving so much in my life, that things that I never thought possible. So today we're going to be talking about this because it can really lighten up your look and make yourself feel good.
It's gonna brighten up your day. All right. So conceal. We've done, the blush, we've done the contour, we're on all the steps. Now, we've already concealed, now we're just gonna go through and use a lighter concealer to create that highlight. And of course, I work right off the back of my hand, boo.
Love it.
I washed them before we started.
Okay, he washes his brushes before.
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
Okay, look up.
Maybe we should do a video on how to wash brushes.
Oh my gosh, yes.
That will be next.
Beauty blenders are the worst to wash, so I think definitely for that would be the best products to use when you're doing it.
Awesome.
This is one of my favorite tricks for you on stage, because it's literally just your smile and then you're just boom, hi.
I love that. So it just gives you that bright look around this section and then underneath. I think this is way better than doing the contour on the nose.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's a way to kind of bring everything forward and distract. Literally, makeup is just smoke and mirrors. It's all just...
Yeah, illusion.
It's a drag show.
It's the illusion of the eye, and the same thing happens with the clothing that you wear as well. Illusion of the eye.
Suit of armor. Suit of armor. I mean... Okay, so now we're going to take a highlight, just a nice nude color, and drop it right here.
Oh, you're pressing and not rubbing.
And we're pressing. We're not rubbing. Why do we press and not rub, Laura?
I don't know, you tell me.
Because it pulls too much product, and then you lose 90% of your product.
I love that.
This is a light enough highlighter that it's not going to do crazy amounts. It's just going to blend and work into the skin naturally by pressing. I can use my fingers to just kind of soften lines. I think that's a very old school makeup artist trick. You only have so many hands and fingers.
Yeah.
Brushes only do so much. So now, my favorite, we're gonna go through and just lightly bring it up to here. I always usually say the Chanel's, you do the C going this way and just C going this way.
Oh, I love it.
I'm a visual
Get me
learner.
A Chanel brooch, baby.
Oh.
So exciting.
I'm I love a little tweed moment. See, but the only thing is Coco Chanel's favorite saying in the world was, before you leave the house, take one thing off.
Oh, really?
Yeah, one accessory. And I was
interesting.
I was more of a
put 2 things on.
Put 2 more extra on myself.
I love that. She has some great sayings though.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, Audrey Hepburn. I think she says something about impossible making it possible. What's that saying? Oh, it's really
doing 3 impossible
Nothing
things.
is impossible.
Oh.
It is possible. So something like that.
I was
If
doing
you know the statement we're trying to think, tell us in the comments below.
Let us know.
It's good.
Let us
Yeah.
know.
Basically, everything's possible.
See, I always did the Alice in Wonderland. Do 3 impossible things a day.
Yeah,
I'm like,
yeah.
I love that.
So good.
Okay, so now that we've done the outside, we're gonna go through and just drop right here on the nose. We're gonna try and bring the bridge of the nose forward so that it's not so, it creates more of a triangular nose shape instead of a rounded nose shape. All right, now, I mean,
Looking good.
what's a sparkle queen without some glitter?
Right? Oh, we got a sparkle.
Yeah.
I love
All right,
it.
so
we
now
got
I'm going
glitter.
with like a very white. This is actually, I bought this specifically for the salt flat shoe.
Beautiful.
So we're just gonna take this and again, do the same thing. We're going right over the natural gold and we're just gonna add flecks of this highlight
Oh,
sparkle.
I need to get me some of that.
I mean, it's in my kit, which is like 90% with your, wherever I'm at, my kit's with.
Is this the look that people do? You know when you see like these gorgeous tan girls and then they've got that white look under their eyes? Is this the technique that they use?
The J-Lo glow?
Right?
Absolutely. So this is something that I've learned doing bridals. This is something that I've learned, and all I've done is taken it a little less of what I would do for stage or bridals. We're just doing very soft and subtle everyday makeup. So, I mean, this would be like cover it one way or
Okay, that's
easy.
it. So we're finished?
Yeah.
Okay, that was today's gorgeous video. I had fun with that. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I had fun with that.
So
I love
then-
highlight.
The next video, what we're doing? The brushes.
What should we do?
The brushes. We said we're going to do the brushes. Do you want to see the brushes? Tell us in the comment below if you want to see a video on best brushes, techniques, right?
Yeah.
Whatever.
How to clean your brushes and make them last. Most of mine have been about 15 years old.
Well, I'll see you on the next video, right? So
Bye,
much fun.
guys.
Bye.
Hello, gorgeous.
Hi there, Brady.
Oh, hey.